Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our experience. We've now got issue 68 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so I've had the next delivery through of my DeLorean. I've got issue 68, 69, 70 and 71 right here. So we're going to do issue 68 today. So let me show you what we get in there and what we're doing. So as you can see, these are the parts we get. As you see, there's some wires in there, some cogs and some parts for the windows as well. So let me show you what we're actually going to be doing in the magazine. So basically this wire has got a yellow LED and two red LEDs on there. So we're going to be plugging the yellow LED in here, then the red in the center, and then the red just off here to the left. Then we're going to be securing this cable down up here. It's going to come out through the top of the door part here. And we're going to be just securing that down with one of these tabs. Then we're going to be moving on to doing the side window. We're going to be attaching the smallest of the cogs just there. The other small cog, but it's slightly fatter, is going down the bottom just here. And then the larger of the three cogs just in the center there. And then to finish up, we're just going to add the central window part just there. That's going to enable that part when that bottom cog is down to move this window up and down. And we don't actually use the other part of the window in this issue. So coming up next time, as you can see, issue 69, we actually do get the door panel in the next issue. So as you can see, we're continuing on with the door. I believe the next three issues, so this one, 69 and 70, all to do with this door, and then 71 we move on to the right hand door. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. So to start off, we're going to bring back this part of the door. We do have two parts of the door already. We don't use this one just yet, so we can keep this one to the side, and this is the one we're going to be working with. So if we turn this round, you can see where we put in our reflectors in there. So we're going to be adding the reflectors LEDs. So here's the LEDs. We've got three of them on here. So with the door facing this way, the yellow one is going to want to go in this one, then a red one, and then another red one. So let's get the yellow one in first, is what it's asking us to do. Push that into there. It should fit nice and snug. So let me turn this around so it's facing me, so it's a bit easier. There we are, that's that one in. Then this one can then go in here. You can push this one in. This is a red one in at the bottom. And then this last red one is going to go just in this one here. Just like that. Make sure your cables come down and out of the way. You don't want them to get trapped. So we have got a little bit there, little cut out, just so we can run that cable across there. Now this cable wants to come up here. This is where we're going to be putting our tab, just in there. So make sure this cable comes up here. And we can grab our tab and we can secure that in there. And we're going to use an AP screw to secure the tab down. Okay, so when we're putting our tab in, it wants to screw on. Let me get this in first and it will show you where this goes. Come on. So drop that into there. So we want the screw part on the outer side here. Let me grab our screw because this is just going to keep popping out. And then secure that one down. Just like so. As you can see, the screw is closest to the part where the window goes. So now we're going to be working in this area here. We're going to be putting some cogs there. So first up, we're going to need the cogs. So we're going to get the smallest of all three cogs, which is this one here, just there. You can tell the difference because one is actually fatter than the other. So the fatter one, we don't use that yet. So this one is going at the top just there. And we're going to use a HP screw to secure that one down. Let's get our HP screw in, screw that one down. Make sure that's still able to turn, which it is. Yeah, so we're fine with that one. Now we're going to want the fatter of the two down the bottom. Now you want the side with the indentation facing up, so the flush side will be going down into there. So you take another HP screw and that's going in there. So let's get this one in. Again, try that one, make sure that one works, which it does. So the last cog is this one here, which is the larger of the three. Again, we have a flush side on the back and sort of an indented side. We want the indented side facing up again. So make sure that wire stays down out of the way. Push that cog down onto there so the teeth engage. Just like so. And then another HP screw right in the centre of there. Screw that one all the way down. Just like so. Make sure them cables are out of the way. And now when we move this, it's a little stiff, so I'm going to loosen this one up. There we are. That one turns. It's catching that cable at the back there, so I'm going to move that cable. And there we are. That's that in there. Push that cable down, and yeah, that engages, and all three cogs turn when I move that bottom one. So the very last thing to do is take our window piece. I don't know how much this is showing up because it's all clear. But yeah, we've got to take this window piece. This has got like a textured part on the back with teeth on the back. That is so that can engage onto there. Just like so. So we can push that one into there. And then when we turn this cog, the window will move up and down. But because we ain't got the other side of the door on, that will just pop out if we do that at the minute. And the other thing we get in this issue is the top part of the window, which we don't actually use in this video. So we'll keep this spare until next time. And then, yeah, that's all we have to do in this issue. So coming up next time, we do get the actual door frame, so we can actually install the windows and the side wing mirror onto there as well. So that'll be coming up in the next issue. So there you go, that's issue 68 all complete. We're now on to issue 69. That'll probably be out in the next couple of days or so. Yeah, but really happy with how it's coming along so far. I haven't tested my LEDs yet, make sure they work, but I will test them probably when we've got the door complete. I'll test them then. If you like this video, guys, please consider hitting the like button down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.